Hello everyone, this is Amruta from Education Vibes. Till now we have seen the entire tour of the University Geomedi campus, and today we have the most important thing for the MBBS aspirant, that is the hospital of University Geomedi. So let's have a look after the hospital. And this is the hospital, which is Rustavi Central University Clinic, which is located at Rustavi campus in Tbilisi.
The observation center where patients are being observed. Maybe it's for abdominal pain or mild fever. These chairs are for manipulation, be it from blood test or normal x-rays. This is the normal OPD for the patients for regular checkups. Now we are heading towards the labs where different tests are being performed. This is the laboratory where all the tests are performed and checked further. Now we are heading towards the ICU where students are practicing for their daily clinical. आप ये चीज़ देख सकते हो हाउ प्रैक्टिकली दे आर टेस्टिंग द डॉक्टर्स एंड देन दे आर स्टडिंग साइमल्टेनियसली. ये जियोमेडी के बच्चे हैं जो उन्हीं के टाइड अप हॉस्पिटल पे आके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं विद रियल पेशेंट्स.
यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि पेशेंट के ऊपर जो ट्रीटमेंट है कैसे किया जाता है. डॉक्टर इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल, द सीनियर डॉक्टर इज़ प्रेजेंट हियर एंड द स्टूडेंट्स आर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड बाय द डॉक्टर अबाउट द ट्रीटमेंट विच इज़ डन टू द पेशेंट. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो वन ऑफ द पेशेंट, इनको कल रात में कार्डियक अरेस्ट आया था एंड ही इज़ हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड इनटू द हॉस्पिटल यस्टरडे. सो इनका जो ट्रीटमेंट अभी हो रहा है वो अभी स्टेबल सिचुएशन में है. जो भी इनका ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है इट इज़ परफॉर्म अंडर द सीनियर डॉक्टर्स अंडर द सुपरविजन. एंड ये हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन में जो भी ट्रीटमेंट किया जा रहा है बच्चों को पूरा डेप्थ में सिखाया जा रहा है कैसे टैकल करना है, कैसे नहीं करना है. इनको बेसिकली अभी से कॉन्फिडेंट बनाया जा रहा है कि वंस देयर इंटर्नशिप इज़ डन आफ्टर द 6th ईयर. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो कि सीनियर डॉक्टर्स के अंडर में बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं. बच्चे ऑब्जर्वेशन देख रहे हैं कि कैसे प्रोसेस हो रहा है, कैसे ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाता है.
आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो दैट स्टूडेंट्स सीनियर डॉक्टर्स के सर्विलेंस पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं विद द प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, ताकि जब वो 6 साल बाद ग्रेजुएट हुए दे डेवलप दैट कॉन्फिडेंस टू डील विद द पेशेंट्स. So now we are heading to the surgical department. This is the operation theatre. We don't have access to this. Only doctors and the patient is allowed. Whereas this is the general ward where all the patients are kept for the examination and then they are moved towards the operation theatre. This is the kids room. The kids room are separate. This is the kids ICU. Now we are heading to the general ward where adults stay. So you can see how it looks like. It has a 2 different bed set. So 2 patients accommodate in one particular room. So now we are heading towards the kids department. There are small rooms made for the kids and the doctors where they come for their day-to-day examination and for their checkups. So now we are on the floor where all the cardiac patients stays. This side is the general ward where general patients stay, where this is the isolated room. They don't spread any kind of infection. Then we move towards this 2 particular room is being designated for ICU cardiac patients. So yes, I guess the division is much better than any other hospitals in Tbilisi. So now this is the neurology department. We have around 10 to 12 rooms. So there are 2 to 4 patients in one room. It totally depends on the size. But mostly 2 patients or maybe 3 patients are designated to one particular rooms. We are heading to the CT scan room, MRI. So this is the radiology center where the patients are examined. All kind of CT scans are being done here, be it head, stomach, pelvic area. All these CT scans of the patients are conducted over here, whereas outside a designated doctor examines each and every moment. So now we are heading towards the X-ray department. This is the place where the X-ray happens of the entire body part. This is an automated bed. The patient can stand and complete their X-ray, whereas even if the body is heavy of the patient, this particular machine turns into a bed and the entire X-ray takes place. So yes, this was the entire tour of this hospital. Now we are going to have a one-on-one session with the junior doctor and the senior doctors of this hospital. Hi everyone, today we have the junior doctor of Rustavi Hospital. His name is Beka, so let's know more about this particular hospital. Hi sir, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing good. How are you?
I am amazing. So can you just tell me more about Rustavi Hospital?
Okay, sure. This hospital been working for over 40 years, as I know, maybe even more. It's only one of the only 2 hospitals we have in the city, so it's pretty important for the city. We have too many patients in this city alone, and we also take patients from the close regions, right?
So, what is the day-to-day patient flow of this hospital?
It's between 40 to 110. So it averages around 70, 80 per day.
So, thank you so much, doctor. It was lovely interacting, and thank you so much for showing us the entire hospital. What's your name?
My name is Alexandre, Dr. Alexandre. I have experience of working here for about 10 years. I am emergency doctor, also head of emergency department.
Okay. How many departments are there in this hospital?
In this hospital there is 10 departments. This hospital is performed for 100 beds. Every day in emergency department comes about 15 to 100 patients. Mostly in ICU and cardiology, also therapy and radiology patients.
Everyone. So today we are going to have a chit chat session with the 6th year student of University Geomedi. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Please introduce me about yourself and where are you from?
Okay. My name is Gunja Sheikh and I'm currently studying in University Geomedi 12th semester, final year student as you see. And I'm from Gujarat, India.
Okay. So how was your so far experience in this university as well as the hospital?
Okay. So first 3 year was definitely like, university. And after that, from 4th year, you start your rotations, right? So we had rotation at different hospital and one of them is Rustavi Central Hospital where we are standing right now.
Okay. So your internship part started this year in the 6th year?
Yeah, last
And the
semester.
clinical rotations were started since 4th year?
Yes, since 4th year.
4th year. Okay. So if I ask you about your hospital duty, is there any particular schedule for the duties?
Yes, there are. It's according to subject. For example, right now I was in anesthesiology department. We had anesthesiology rotation. So according to the subjects, we have rotations in hospitals and department. So that's how it works.
Okay. So do you get any specific number of patients to be handled a day-wise?
Not necessarily. It depends on how many patients are there in the department. For example, right now I was in ICU department of this hospital. Sometimes we go in emergency department, sometimes we go in ICU department, sometimes we see surgery. So it depends on how many patients right now are. And then doctor help us with all the patient and everything. They are always with us. And yeah, that's how it works.
Okay. Do you get hand-on clinical exposure over here?
Yes, we do get specifically at this hospital. We are able to do central catheterization. We are able to do small procedures as well, which we might not be able to do when we were in our preclinical years. So definitely we do get exposure as well.
Okay. So thank you so much. It was nice talking with you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for your time.
Thank you.